What's going on, guys? So this is our last day here in Gyumri. We're getting into the car and about to drive to Yerevan. But before we get there, we're gonna stop by this interesting city. They should have an interesting church there. It looks really cool. We're gonna check it out. Very historical city on the way to Yerevan. So it has been a lot of fun here in Gyumri, but now it's time to get back to Yerevan, do some more exploring around that city, some more exploring in Yerevan itself. It should be a lot of fun. We just arrived to the city of Wagar, and this is supposed to be a very beautiful city with a very beautiful church here, and this is what we're going to be watching here. We're very close to Yerevan now. It was a 2-hour drive from Gyumri. The road wasn't that good as the other roads, but it was a good drive. The weather is gorgeous. It was raining before, and we are very happy that we made it. So as you can see, you have these things here all over the place. You have them there, you have them here, Christian, and then you have a couple over there as well. And from what we understand, this thing is like the Vatican, the Armenian Vatican, because this whole area, this is where a lot of these religious people live. There's a lot of churches, a lot of structures, a lot of different buildings, and this is a really cool place to visit. It's very quiet, it's kind of like a park. And so as you can see, you have this Armenian writing here on these things.
Они повсюду о христианстве говорили, проповедовали, за это были изгнаны из Рима. И они нашли себе место именно здесь. Раньше оно называлось Wagar. Не Ячмядин. Дословно Ячмядин означает сошедший с небес Бог, Сын Бога верный. Вот эта церковь, которая была построена в 301 году, сейчас тоже идет реставрация церкви. Там при церкви есть музей, но она сейчас закрыта. И вот в 301, когда приняли христианство, это было важно, с одной стороны, для государства Армении, чтобы сохранить ее единое целое. С другой стороны, чтобы был один Бог. До этого было во всем мире язычество.
So as the lady who was a guide just explained to us, the whole purpose was that Armenia have one religion, and that way it can unite the people. And that is kind of what religions do in a way. They unite the people. That is why many wars that we have fought, and still a lot of wars that have happened, even in recent memory, is about religion. Because religion, it can be very uniting, and it could be also very dividing. And that is why Armenia had it, because as she said beforehand, Armenia had they had many different gods, they had many different beliefs, and this was a way to unite the people together. So we decided to stop by this place, whatever it is called, to have maybe a cup of tea, just relax for a minute after this long drive before we're gonna head to continue the journey to Yerevan. And here you have the prices: strained yogurt, skimmed sour cream, pickled vegetables, lemon, lots of different appetizers. As you can see, you have Armenian, Russian, and English.
Yeah, it's appropriate for everyone.
Yeah, so that way everybody can understand, right? Everybody's happy. So we got our food, we have the tea, we have Americano, We have the baklava and we have the gata here, which is another type of pastry that we haven't even tried here in Armenia so far. So it's gonna be interesting. I know how this tastes, but in fact this looks different than the previous ones, but I think this one is gonna be good too. All right, thank you. We just finished our quick lunch, brunch here, and now we are gonna be heading to Yerevan, but we're gonna stop by the mall because I gotta pick up something, an adapter for my camera. So we're gonna stop by the mall, one of the big malls here in Yerevan, and it should take us about half an hour to get there. And then we're gonna be doing some exploration of Yerevan. So we wanted to check out this church here, but it looks like it may be a private residence. You have Julius Caesar, you have some eagles, so I don't even know how to enter this thing. So that may be a private residence or an entrance that we don't know about. Check out this private residence here. We thought this was some kind of a church, but this is actually a private residence. Has nothing to do with the church at all. We wanted to enter it a second ago, but it's locked, and it looks like it's somebody's residence or something like that. Alright, we've made it to the shopping center here. As you can see, this is a rather serious shopping center. This is no joke. This is no small shopping center, so we're gonna check it out. So we need to find a electronics store so I can get an adapter for my camera to copy it into my computer, because I forgot it. And we're almost running out of memory on this card, so we need to find an adapter. Soon, very, very soon. So we just entered the supermarket here, and look what they have. They have these little jam collection. Looks like a color palette, and you can just paint it. Typically you would paint it with it, but you can buy it, and it has these jams here. And this is a cool little gift, if not for yourself. But then you look over here, and they have some sweets. They have some churchelas, which is actually a Georgian snack, but apparently they make it themselves. And I'm sure it's like this all over the Caucasus region. You have this churchela, you have the Georgian, you have Armenian, and you have all kinds of interesting sweets. And I absolutely love this. I love this thing. It's absolutely gorgeous. And so they have some of the other ones. They have sun-dried fruits, dried fruit of prunes. Lots of interesting things that you can buy. And if you've never tried this, me growing up in Ukraine and Soviet Union, I'm used to this stuff. But if you've never had this, this is absolutely delicious. And you can even buy churchela. See, it even says here, churchela here. It even says it in Russian. So you can buy it like this, you can buy it like this. You can even buy it here, which we actually might get a couple. And this costs around 80 cents. 80 cents right here. This is about 75 US cents. This is a little bit more expensive. It's around $5.50, $6. Alright, so we found a store right here that has electronics. We're gonna check it out. What they have here. Oh, it's a big store. Big store. Let's see if we can get some cables here. Alright, we got the gadget, the adapter, and now it's time to go to Yerevan and get some really good kebabs. Alright, we're back to Yerevan, and we're back to one of our favorite places. This is Kebabistan right here. Hello. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. The best kebab I've ever had. Got some potato here with some garlic sauce. Looks absolutely incredible. Absolutely. Amazing. Yeah. Gonna get drunk. This is a Lebanese drink right here. Lebanese arak. It's good, it's good. Alright, so we just had one of the best kebabs known to man. We left the place, we had some free little treats as well. Super friendly guy. He's actually from Lebanon, and so that is why he doesn't speak Russian, which is very rare here in Armenia. And we found out that he's actually from Lebanon, and he's Armenian from Lebanon, so he moved here. He came back to Armenia, came back to his country, and so we had some amazing kebab. And for me, kebab is like tacos. It's like the same feel, really good. And so now we are going to the apartment. I'm gonna be checking into the Airbnb and see what it's like. Hopefully it's going to be excellent. We really hope. And then some more explorations of this beautiful city. Alright, so we just checked into our Airbnb apartment. So we're gonna do a quick room tour, beginning with this. This is the bathroom right here. So you have the shower, you have the toilet, you have the sink here. It looks very clean and modern, very beautiful. We're gonna close this, then we're gonna continue into the bedroom. This is the bedroom right here. As you can see, there was remodeling. It's very beautiful. This is not, you know, your typical Armenian Soviet apartment. Very nicely remodeled. The bedroom is not very big. It just fits the bed here. So, but you know, that's just what it is, right? We have some drawers here. We have some blankets, some pillows, some extra pillows, stuff like this. And that is the room here. Very nice kind of remodeling here on the ceiling. Let's continue to the main room here, okay? And this is really cool. And I really like the couch, because if you get a hotel room, you're not gonna have a couch typically. This is a big plus just for chilling. We have a nice couch here, this kind of corner unit here. We have a TV, a flat screen TV. We have, maybe that looks like a cable or some kind of a digital recorder. We also have a little kitchenette here. We have a fridge, microwave. We have the kitchen stuff here, the shelves, stuff like that. We have a little bar here with nice little chairs here. Really nice touch. And yeah, well, we have the very important thing, 5 kilo capacity washing machine for washing clothes. Very useful. We have a boiler here for the to boil waters, and we have an electric stove, which is very typical in these kinds of apartments. Then we got the sink here, followed by the sink. We have some supplies here, utilities, extra stuff that they give you. And all in all, this is very typical of what you would get in an Airbnb apartment. Very typical. It's kind of a one bedroom by American standard, but the kitchen is combined with the room. You have the bedroom that's separate, but the kitchen is combined. You're not going to be getting any kind of view. You do have you basically have, I think, the view of a parking lot, or let's see what we have in terms of the view. Oh no, you have the main street. Alright, so there you go. You got the main street actually. So not that bad of a view. I thought it was actually the back side of the building where the cars park and stuff like that. This is actually not a bad view. Not the greatest view in the world, but you know, at the end of the day, who cares about a view when you just come here, just want to chill out. You've done sightseeing, you've walked all over the city, you don't really care about the view. And that is all that I wanted to show you guys. So pretty cool room, pretty cool Airbnb to chill here in Yerevan. We have it booked for 3 nights. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Gonna be a lot of fun for some sightseeing, exploring the city.
Да.
Ага. Скажите, а тут любят, когда на русском говорят?
Конечно, конечно.
Да?
Это не имеет значения. Да, да.
Тут нет проблем, да?
Нет, ты что?
Ага.
И ночью хочешь шагай, никто тебе ничего не плохое слова не скажет.
Окей, хорошо.
Самый главный, не скажет, ты откуда, почему ты здесь, или что-нибудь. Такого.
Да, все гостеприимные.
Да.
Ага.
В новом году не там, когда вирус не был.
Когда что?
Когда это вирус или по-русски?
В прошлом году.
Ага.
Да.
2 девочка и 2 парня искали место, не нашли спать.
Да.
31-го ночью мне спросили, как сейчас разговариваю. Давай, подождите, вместе пойдем домой. У меня семья, дети, внуки.
Да.
Сколько комнат? Говорят, 2 комнаты, 4 комнаты.
Ага.
Они, когда ушли, не знали, что сказать. Что сказать?
Без слов.
Деньги хотели предложить, я сказал, нет, я это по-хорошему сделал. Мне деньги не надо.
Ну, да.
Деньги это ерунда. Самое главное, чтобы ты был человеком.
Да, хорошо. So we stop at this coffee shop here, and I'm opening this fusion menu, and I can't understand anything, unfortunately. I'm looking at it, so I don't know which menu I gotta open. There's the evening menu. Okay, the evening menu I understand. The kitchen menu. So we decided we're not gonna eat anything right now, but it's so hard to resist this food, so I don't know. It's gonna be difficult. Let's see. Art for tea. All teas hot or iced? Let me get some teas to start with. So we got some tea, some special tea, and then Marina got the waffle with that looks like an apple with some sugar, some syrup, and some ice cream over there. It looks pretty good. And I got a sandwich, which I haven't had in ages, so I'm looking forward to that. Bon appetit. And I got this sandwich, which is completely different than I expected. I thought it was gonna be a bread sandwich, but it's something else entirely.